well, never really realised that plane before anyway. That pilot plane here I've never seen before. Which this is quite a weird one actually. That's what I have to say, that this is quite a weird plane I've not seen before anyway. Which, as you can see, this is the TI Ultralight TL-3000 pilot plane. That is, that's the Sirius, that is. Which, as you can see, that pilot plane here we've not occasionally seen before though, but this is the first time we've ever seen one of those pilot planes anyway. Which, as you can see, the registration is G-CLFG, that is. If I click on that, it doesn't tell me what height it's flew at anyway. But as you can see from here, I think it literally flew in here probably about under 19,000 feet from here, I believe. But this is the ultralight plane one apparently. As you can see here, look, it was this plane here I've just seen. This was the TL-3000 pilot plane that was. And just you can barely see from here, I think this is where it took off from apparently. I think it might have taken off somewhere probably near Bobbin Airfield, I suppose. I think it might have taken off probably at Bobbin Airfield, I believe. If I go to fly radar, he should be on there. There he is. And just you can see that leads to where it's taken off from. It's probably, as you can see, that just took off from St Mary's Airport by the looks of it. Which, as you can see, that's just took off at St Mary's Airport. By the looks of it, that's where it's just taken off from, apparently, just from St Mary's Airport into Albert City anyway. So yeah, as you can see, just passed near Land's End Airport. So yeah, as you can see, it just passed over near Land's End Airport by the looks of it. Yeah, as you can see, I don't know where it's come from anyway. I don't know what base it's come from anyway, but as you can see, it's coming from not available to not available, which is very weird. So yeah, I don't know what base he's at, to be fair. Never really seen one of those pilot planes before anyway. Not sure where he's based at apparently. So yeah, well, all that's Flightradar 24 should know it anyway. What was it? It was G. There we go. It should tell me where it's coming from anyway. There we go. That's where it's just taken off from apparently, just from Bobbin Airfield this morning, I think. That's where it's just took off from apparently, from Bobbin Airfield. There we go. And then looks like it might have took off somewhere near RAF Bolthead, I think. That's where it leads to, I think, anyway. I believe. There we go. I think that's where it might have come from. It's based, I think, at Camberdas Airfield. I think that's where it might have took off from anyway, I think. Yeah, obviously Flightradar 24 got so much information where that plane's come from anyway. So yeah, that was just this plane here we've just seen, but this is the first time we caught the TI Ultralight TL-3000 Sirius, that is, with registration G-CLFG, that was. Okay, so yep, I think by the looks of it, he's probably heading back to his usual spot, to where it's been this morning, probably at Bobbin Airfield, I believe, because I believe he went Bobbin Airfield yesterday apparently. I think it should be heading back to his base, I think, where it's coming from, but I don't know where he's based at apparently. Okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.